Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can create a Zangi account. In order to do so, here we are at Zangi.com. And if you're looking for Zangi on PC, you're not going to be able to find it. The only way to create an account with Zangi is actually to either download it on the App Store or to get it on Google Play. Now, it does seem to indicate that this is available for Mac, but at the moment, it does not appear that it is available for PC. But if you want to create an account, then all you have to do is go and download that on the App Store, or you can get it on Google Play, and it will be attached to whatever account you set it up with on either of those devices. So if you're looking to start an account with Zangi, head on over to the App Store, Google Play, search for Zangi, download, and you can create your account. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.